How many times a day do you check your email just to find out it's another long boring message? What if Google's Gemini AI could read all your incoming emails, summarize them in just 2 sentences, and send the text straight to your Telegram? In this video, I will show you how to build your own AI email assistant in less than 10 minutes using Make.com and Gemini. Best of all, it's completely free to start and requires zero coding. Let's get into it. First, go to Make.com and create a new scenario. If you don't have an account yet, use the link in the description below. Click on the big plus icon, search for the email module and select the Watch Emails trigger. This means every time you receive a new email, our automation will trigger automatically. Connect your Google account. Select your inbox folder and click Save. Step 1 is done. Next, drag a line from Gmail, search for the Google Gemini module, and select Simple Text Prompt. In the text prompt field, enter the following instruction. You are an AI assistant. Summarize the following email in 3 clear bullet points: who sent it, what they want, and any urgent actions needed. Right below that, type email content and select the full text body variable from the Gmail module. Then click Save. By the way, you can easily customize this prompt later to fit your needs. Now Gemini knows exactly which email to analyze. Our final step is to deliver this summary directly to your phone. Add one more module, search for Telegram bot, and select the Send a Text Message action. Next, we need to connect your Telegram bot. To do this, open Telegram, search for BotFather in the search bar, and send the new bot command. Give your bot a name and then create a username for it. Keep in mind, the username must end with bot. Now, copy the API token provided by BotFather. Head back to Make.com, click Create a connection, paste your token, and hit Save. Go back to Telegram, click the link to your newly created bot and press the Start button. Next, type User Info Bot in your Telegram search bar. Click on the first bot in the list and press Start. This bot will give you your unique ID number. Just click on it to copy it. Return to Make.com once again and paste your ID into the Chat ID field. In the text field, let's type New Email Summary From. Click the From name variable. Subject. Click the subject variable. AI Summary. Click the result variable from Gemini. Also, click on the Gmail module, change the setting to only unread messages, and set the scheduling frequency to every 15 minutes. Now, let's click Run once to test if everything works. I'm going to send a long, chaotic test email to myself right now. Look at the screen. Make.com detected the new email. Gemini processed it in less than a second. We just got a Telegram message with a clean 3-point summary. It works perfectly. As you can see, by combining the free Gemini with Make.com, you can build incredible automations without knowing how to write a single line of code. All you have to do is turn this scenario on, and it will monitor your inbox 24/7. You can find all the links and prompts used in this video in the description below. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our upcoming AI and no-code automation tutorials. And let me know in the comments, what should we automate next? See you in the next video.